Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to pay your Straight Talk phone bill online using the easiest method. First, go to straighttalk.com. At the top of the page, click Refill. Then choose Refill your account. Next, enter your Straight Talk phone number or your device's serial or IMEI number when prompted and click Continue. You'll then see your amount due or you can choose a plan if needed. Enter your payment details, card number, name, expiration date, CVV, and billing zip code. You can also choose PayPal if available. Once everything looks good, click Pay and wait for the payment confirmation screen or a confirmation number. And that's it. Your Straight Talk bill is paid online in just a few steps. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.